Hi everyone. We're going to do a little activity today. Let's start with our rule song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, and a calm body, Nice job. All right, this says match bug vocabulary. That's a big word. It just means words that go along with the picture. So I wanted to kind of talk about some of these bugs today, or if you can name them, okay? This one's green, it jumps. This is a grasshopper. Can you say that? Grasshopper. What's next? You might see these in a garden. They're slow. They can be slimy. They have a shell. They're a snail. Oh, we talked about this one before. It's long. It turns into a butterfly. But first, it's a caterpillar, right? Good. What's this bug? It's a spider, right? It spins a web. It's a spider. This one is black and yellow, and it flies. What's this? It says buzz, buzz. It's a bee. This animal, or insect, the caterpillar turns into a butterfly, right? You might see a butterfly. This little insect, you might see it flying around. Sometimes it gets in my house sometimes. It's a little fly, right? You kind of hear it go bzz, right by your ear. That's a fly. And then this one we talked about last week when we talked about the picnic. It's an ant, right? Ants go marching. That's an ant. So let's do that quicker. Grasshopper, snail, caterpillar, spider, bee, butterfly, fly, and ant. Great. Now let's go to Boardmaker. Okay. We're going to look. I'm going to read this to you and we're going to decide which one is the best answer, okay? This says, what animal flies and has two colorful wings? So we can think, can an ant fly? No. Does a butterfly fly? Yes, and it has colorful wings. This is a penguin. Penguins cannot fly. So the answer is a butterfly. Let's see if we're right. The check means yes, right. Good. This says, what animal flies, has yellow and black stripes, likes flowers, and makes honey? All right, that's a lot of information. Yellow and black stripes. Does an ant have yellow and black stripes? No. Does a caterpillar have yellow and black stripes? No. Does a bee have yellow and black stripes? Yes, right? And then we know it likes flowers and it does make honey. It's a bee. Good job. What animal is an insect? It eats leaves and turns into a butterfly. Do you remember the life cycle of the butterfly we did? Does it start with an ant? No. Does it start with a caterpillar? Yes, right? The caterpillar turns into a butterfly, just like the Very Hungry Caterpillar book. And it's not a fly because we know it's a caterpillar. Let's see if we're right. It'll give us the check. Oh, we're right. Thumbs up. Nice job. Okay. What does the butterfly do? What can a butterfly do? Can a butterfly fly? Can a butterfly hop? Can a butterfly run? So if you've seen a butterfly, we know it has two colorful wings and it's little. A butterfly can fly. Which one looks like they're flying? Oops, this one does, yes. Great. We're right. All right, this is going to be the last one, okay? What animal is an insect? It's small, black, and it crawls on the ground. And it says it works hard too, which it does. So we're going to look for the word small and black. Is a butterfly small? Yeah. Is it black? No. Is the dog small? No. Is it black? A dog could be black. Is an ant small? Yes. Is an ant black? Yes. I think the answer is an ant. We're right. Awesome job, you guys. You know what? Let's do this last one. That's good. What was our book about today? What did we just talk about? Did we talk about birds? No, right? Did we talk about clothes? No. Did we talk about bugs? Yes, we did. Let's see if we're right. We talked about bugs, an ant, a butterfly, caterpillar. Those are all bugs. Nice job, friends. I hope you liked that activity. It was small and got you thinking about bugs. Great job. Bye.